You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha Taylore. So in this video, I'm going to be cleaning up my skincare bin. I'm on a new skincare journey and I need to get rid of some things that just isn't good for your girl anymore. So I'm about to go through my bin and show y'all. It's going to be voice over Eisha, and then I'm going to come back and just talk to y'all about a couple of things I already threw away before this video and why I'm on this journey and all that good stuff. So just keep on watching.
So this is what my skincare situation is currently looking like. I'm going to be improving it, but let's just go through it. So this is the Yuka app that I'm always referencing, and these are the products that I am currently using that I will feature in my skincare routine, but they are 100 out of 100, so no need to spend too much time on that. But I'm just going to be scanning a couple items that I have and just making sure, like, whew, okay, this is good, I'm keeping it. Everything LK Naturals is pretty good. This Verse body lotion was actually a 49 out of 100. I still have it in my stash just because I only use it in specific areas, but I won't be repurchasing it. Same thing for this product. I only use it in certain areas of my body, but they do have some healthier recommendations that I will be picking up after. This topical slather, I do have it as well. It's not the best out of the two that I just showed, but I still have it. This sunscreen I will not be using because it's 7 out of 100, child. Like, huh? No, ma'am. That's not touching my body. It was expensive. I'm so mad I can't return it, but there are some better recommendations, and that's what I really like about this app, is that it really helps you with different recommendations and stuff, and really gets into the science of like why it's that score. So yeah, so this product as well, I actually did like it for a second, but they have pretty poor scores, so I did end up throwing them away just because I just can't. It had too many things in it. They actually ended up finishing this product for me just because I'm like, no. I don't want to finish it, so you can. Same thing for this product. If you watched my empties video, then you will know that I just had Bae finish it. I know everyone loves this sunscreen, but who? Not me. 2 out of 100? No, I'm sorry. It's never that deep. And I know that this face mask was like going around super popular, but I do have some other recommendations that I will show you. Again, just stay tuned for my skincare video to show you guys exactly what I've been using. I was so happy to see that this was 100 of 100, y'all. I was like, oh god, am I really about to throw away everything out of my stash? So it was actually pretty good. And the moisturizer wasn't that bad either. This Trader Joe's one, I was actually like, oh wow, I thought it would be better, but it was expired actually. I don't know why it was still even in my stash, but yeah, this cleanser wasn't that bad. This eye cream I use like almost every day, and I was like, Jesus. And I did feel like it was irritating my eyes, and that made total sense. And honestly, I'm so sad that Aveeno? Really? Oh god.
Now, I feel like a few of y'all is going to be like, girl, why are you on this journey? And let's talk about it. So, first of all, I'm 30, and I feel like I need to get better about the ingredients that's in my skincare. Skin is the biggest organ, right? And I just feel like whatever is touching your skin, your scalp, etc., is going into your bloodstream. Like, no one has time. And plus, like, I'm just starting to be on a different health journey, fertility journey, etc. And it's just like, I don't want unnecessary synthetic ingredients running up all through my system, right? I know also a few people's gonna be like, girl, some of these ingredients is not even that bad. Like, I know some of the scores weren't that bad. They were like in the yellow category, which is probably good for you, but for me, it's just, I want to be more comfortable in the green category, making sure that's good or excellent. And I know a lot of these ingredients also just say like moderate risk or not that bad, but again, I'm on a different journey. Whether you want to be on that journey with me or not, it's up to you. I am just trying to build awareness on these products, these ingredients, and sometimes we buy things out of hype, but not out of education, right? A couple of products that I didn't get to show on camera because I already threw them away. The Necessaire body wash, I think I may have scanned The serum and the lotion, those were fine. The body wash from Necessaire is a 49 out of 100. It's not bad. The ingredient that's in that one is phenoxyethanol. I don't know how to say it, child. I'll just show y'all. The Necessaire serum is 100 out of 100, so I still have my little mini one, and I'll probably pick up a big one as well. And the lotion is also 100 out of 100. So those ingredients are fine. It's just the body wash that's not good. And my deodorant gel is also 100 out of 100. If you've missed my MT's video, and no, excuse me, well, actually watch both, child. But if you missed my MT's video, in my 2023 favorites video, I mentioned the Necessaire deodorant. I just picked up the fragrance-free one as well, because sometimes the eucalyptus version just doesn't do it for you, girl. I also don't think I got to show y'all the faded Target. No, did I? I think I did show you topicals. I do have another topicals product that I didn't get to show y'all, which is the little roll-on products. That is a 45 out of 100 because it has phenoxyethanol, salicylic acid, and disodium EDTA. So phenoxyethanol, I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the hell out of it. I'll put the word on the screen, the ingredient on the screen. This one is actually, if anything, in a lot of cosmetics, and I keep seeing it a lot. And it says it's a potential endocrine disruptor, a potential allergen and irritant. I have allergies, I have eczema, I don't need anything else irritating me. I do not. It says that it can cause allergic reactions. Studies suggest that repeat exposure causes developmental toxicity and has adverse effects on the blood, liver, and fertility. Like, again, I told you, I'm on a journey. I don't need any of this disrupting me. And the fact that there are products out here without these ingredients, why am I suffering? You know what I mean? Especially if a product is not even that great. Let's be for real. Let's be for real. Another product that's super popular in the community is the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF. That is a 12 out of 100 because it has that ingredient that I think the the Black Girl Sunscreen had. So I just want to show y'all that as well. Hyaluronic acid and the niacinamide from the brand The Ordinary also is poor. It's a 47 out of 100. So I am dropping this video first just because I plan on doing kind of a skincare series, just because I feel like, one, we have to get rid of ingredients that we no longer should be using, educate ourselves, etc. And then 2, kind of think of things inwardly. And then 3, the actual skin routine. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the videos just to educate yourself. The Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser is a 79 out of 100. So it is green. It's excellent. So if you're interested in using that, that is totally fine. The Cerave, though, Hydrating Cleanser is a 43 out of 100. It is poor. So I don't recommend using that. And I did used to use that product the way back when. I do have a video on my channel. It's an oldie. Me using that product. It actually irritates my skin, and I see why. So I just honestly recommend that you get this app. I think I have the paid version, but you don't need the paid version. I think I was just being extra and needed like just more categories, because you could do food, you can do makeup, you could do other things. But I definitely recommend that you get this app and educate yourself, especially when it comes to skincare. For me, I would say, like, if you're really putting something on your face, I would say make sure it's top-notch ingredients. Life is too short, and you would be damned if something happened to you because of the products that you chose. Like, let's not be cheap, and let's also educate ourselves. So, again, stay tuned for my video coming out of my skincare routine that I will be showing. All of the products that I actually use are all tracked in my Yuka app. They're all excellent. They have to be green, child. They have to be that green check in order for me to use it. And let me know if you have any comments below. Were there any products that you were like, damn, I wish it didn't have a little score? Oh, okay, then I see you. Like, let's talk in the comments. Let me know what skincare you're using, and we can talk about it. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.